Someone just posted a great review about us, and we wanted to share their fantastic feedback with you. We love telling everyone about it because our goal is to provide every individual with a 5-star experience. We're really motivated to hear we've made so many people happy. We work with everyone individually to reach our 5-star service goal. Our approach really is one experience at a time. It's that simple. We love knowing the people we serve consider us the best company to do business with. We'd love for you to give us a chance to show you what we can do. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Call us today and let us give you the same amazing service.